Namaskar. Shri Premnath Bhatt Shad, one of the most popular and reputed name in Kashmiri literature. Born on 2nd April 1934 in Kurzbagh, Badgam, did his BA, B.Ed and Diploma in Agriculture and retired as Master from Education Department. Shri P.N. Shad has been wholeheartedly rendering his services to Kashmiri poetry. His published work has got national as well as international acclamation. Among his work, a few we are mentioning here: No Bahar Poetry 1952, Khoon Sir Karbala 1989, Sarveshihul 2001, Vandana 2002, Vandana 2nd 2006. Besides numerous volumes of his work, Mr. P.N. Bhatt Shad is associated with many socio-cultural organizations which are actively working for the betterment of art and literature of Kashmiri language. Shri P.N. Bhatt Shad started writing from class 8th. He was in personal proximity with legendary poets like Master Zindakol, Dinanath Nadim, Rahman Rahi, Motilal Saki, Amar Malmohi, Farik Badgami, and hundreds of such legendary poets which yielded him a lot while writing meaningful and thought-provoking scripts. Best thing about Mr. Shad is that his songs have naturally got a perfect meter, due to which composers and singers smoothly sing his songs with pleasure. Almost all leading singers have sung his beautiful song. Mojish Akhir Mojasan, sung by several artists and especially by Mr. Vijay Malla and Ajaz Ra, is one of the masterpieces from his pen. We, from the core of our heart, along with our compost team, wish him success and good health, and we are sure that Mr. P.N. Shad will remain rendering his duties and services to our language and literature. May Sharda bless Mr. Shad.
दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण मुंक्यन, दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण मुंक्यन, सहायक बस छुवन भगवान मुंक्यन, दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण मुंक्यन, दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण मुंक्यन। कहर बरपा गोमुत छन को बचन बात, कहर बरपा गुमुत छन का बचन बात, छन का बचन बात, महामरी जुवन ज़ालान मुंक्यन, महामरी जुवन ज़ालान मुंक्यन, सहायक बस छुवन भगवान मुंक्यन, दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण मुंक्यन। जेहन आवर दिलन मस्को वशद, जेहन आवर दिलन संकट सितम भूगान वुनकन कुड़ संकट सितम भूगान वुनकन सहायक बस चुवन भगवान वुनकन दया दृष्टि जगत करान वुनकन इज़ा सोरी ज़हर ओलूद गोमूद इज़ा सोरी ज़हर ओलूद गोमूद ओलूद गोमूद शाहन होकर रूह पान वुनकन शाहन कर रूह को पान वुनकन सहायक बस चुवन भगवान वुनकन दया दृष्टि जगत करान वुनकन तुलियो अथ थोद मंगियो पजबावनाए तुलियो अथ थोद मंगियो पजबावनाए पजबावनाए सुईश्वर बोझ कर कल्याण वुनकन सुईश्वर बोझ कर कल्याण वुनकन सहायक बस चुवन भगवान वुनकन दया दृष्टि जगत करान वुनकन सुदय कर सर्व मंगल आशादास सुदय कर सर्व मंगल आशादास आशादास तसुन शोधमन छुदारुन ध्यान वुनकन तसुन शोधमन छुदारुन ध्यान वुनकन सहायक बस चुवन भगवान वुनकन दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण वुनकन दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण वुनकन दया दृष्टि जगत प्राण